and this is us. We get up at 6:30. We drive 2 hours to Caliente, Nevada. Why? So we can go run around with our dog. Our faithful little dog. Yeah, she's a good girl. And possibly in the rain, possibly in the snow. And it's at this time 38 degrees. Boy, do we know how to have a good time or what?
Longer than last year.
It was like 10 last year when we got to this point. We know how to have a good time. Quick update on the little big dog run. This doesn't look good. I'm sure it'll be fine. It's turning out nice. We might actually have a good day for this. Check it. Blue sky. Ish. What do you think, Pen? Are you ready to go?
That's the only reason she got the second vote to come.
What's that?
I thought we started at the same time, but Stephanie means business.
She always does when she runs.
Oh, this way. Man, you go this way.
Oh yeah. No, you got dogs. Go. Sure? Yeah.
Yeah, like this is the right way.
Yeah, I think. Definitely warming up. There's just a jacket.
Say hi. Oh, go say hi.
Oh, now she's right. Look at him like he has a GoPro.
Picture of her. Oh, the cat.
Good cat.
It's not all about the race. Dog's got to sniff.
14K. Making the turnoff. We're at the top of that first climb. Thank goodness. Whew. It's beautiful. Trail conditions prime. etc. Right? That's so pretty. I can't tell if it's bright and it's not gonna snow, or if it's dark and it is gonna snow, because I'm wearing glasses like this. Makes it a little darker. I'll just enjoy the mystery. Oh. The sun just came out. We can see shadows. Nice. Nice day. So, 8 miles. It's a long way. It's now time for goo. It's very cold. It appears we're going downhill now, but some of you may remember the switchbacky climb up to those towers from the infamous Broken Record Challenge mountain bike event. That climb's pretty tough on a bike. We'll see how it is on feet. Oh, it's slippery. I'm so happy there's snow. Oh, we're climbing now, kids. We are climbing now.
All right, kids, let's keep going. Good job, good job. Need a drink? All right, let's keep going.
Almost at the top. We got some nice undulating terrain and lovely gradual downhill. 5 miles in, feeling good. The top. Aid station, need anything? Need anything? Nope.
Good girl, huh? Having fun? Going for a run with the dog. Yeah, with this big dog.
Dude, I've been running for an hour and 10 minutes. That is entirely too much running. This needs to be done. Let's see what I got left. I move this train along here. Oh my gosh, look! We joined the 4K. I got almost done the royal we. Yep. That is such a fun course. I can't believe it.
So you're gonna go this way.
This way.
So this is a real steep one.
Okay.
Did you leave? No, that was somebody else.
Oh yeah, I remember this. Whoa. Oh, this was all icy last year. Nice.
This way. Switch tracks. Oh, easy, easy.
Okay. Great job, I'm almost done. According to the sign.
Easy. Nice and slow, Pen, easy. Oh, we're going this way. Oh, watch it. Okay. Yeah. Whoops. Done falled. I'm okay though.
High five thing. I don't dare go faster. Oh, that was so fun. Oh my gosh.
I clicked that a couple seconds late. Sorry. Oh shit.
Woo! Nice job. That is so fun.
Huh?
That was so fun.
got 8 miles already.
Dude, that's an hour and a half of running. That is entirely too much running.
You got 8.7. What do you got on there?
8.75.
Holy crap, you're fast.
I can catch her. I thought I'm only doing 4. I can catch her.
That was super fun. Oh my gosh.
Are you sure you guys did the course? You went down the old OG trail with all that rock?
Yeah.
You guys just fly over it?
Thank
Did you just
you.
spread wings and go flap, flap, flap?
No, I crawled.
crap.
That was sketchy down that part.
See Mom? See her? Oh, jeez.
Oh, you gotta cross your line with the dog. Oh, you're limping.
The old body cast thing. Woohoo! Pen, we did it. We're doing it, Pen. Woo! Thank you. We did it, Pen. Good job. Good job. You did it. Yes, you did it.
Penny, look! Penny! Tobin! Tobin! Everybody look at me.
Oh, there's even a cat here. You stay down, don't bother the kitty. Cats. We did it. Running.
Well, that was super fun. I'm walking down to the car now because it's cold up in that canyon. Like, cold. I'm in the sun at least. Jay did awesome. Penny lost her title. She was second dog this time. And it was cool, and look how beautiful it is. Ooh, ah. See you next year, big dog.